I love my FITVII fitness tracker, and it also has a long-lasting battery life too. And with a flick of my wrist, it will show me the time and date and how many steps I've done, or you can also just press the button. And I'll show you a close-up of it right now. But it's also very easy to use, and I absolutely love using it. It can also do your blood pressure, as well as it tracks your sleep too. How perfect is that? As well as your oxygen level. And this is the slim design, and I really like it. This is what it looks like on the back. You get this easy to charge cable, and it's magnetic. So all you have to do is put it to the back, and it automatically does that. And all you need to do is plug it into a charger cable or a USB, and there you go. It started charging, and it vibrates too. Speaking of vibration, if you're not moving for an hour, you can put that as a setting, and it will notify you for you to get up and start moving around. I really love that feature. And they also have lots of different faces that you can choose from, which is really great, adds to your personality. So here's a close-up of what the watch looks like, and it's very easy to use. It also has this face right here that I'm currently using, where it shows you the time as well as the date, and also your steps, your heart rate, and how much you've walked already. I absolutely love this. And you can also choose from different faces as well. And some of the faces have different formats, and they're really cool. Love it. And this is very easy to use. All you have to do is put it on your wrist. And it also has a Bluetooth app. So let me show you how the app works and how awesome it is. And I just really love my smartwatch. Really helps me to try to get my 10,000 steps a day. Love it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.